Hello traders, this is the Wizard from WallStreetFatCats. Today I'm going to go a little bit over finviz.com. This is a free website. It has a couple helpful tools. I'll briefly go over on the main page here. It pretty much gives you like a bird's eye view of the market. Over here on the left, you can see my mouse. Usually they show the top gainers of uh of the day, and over here the losers, most volatile, things like that. And over here it has the heat seeker. I'll go a little bit over that right now. uh in this area right here, it goes, they show the major news for the day is Apple. They came out with some type of new laptop or something like that. This area, it has a lot of insider buying. This is a really good, helpful tool for those, institutional long traders. All right, let me show you around the site here. Oh, here's the bottom left. A lot of the features, currency down here with the bonds. What I do like about this for a lot of like beginners is charts. So for example, I'll go over one. It kind of helps you make trend lines and to short or long some stocks. All right, here's Goldman Sachs GS. Um, this is great even just to like look up, a couple stocks, get familiar with certain patterns. For example, as you can see here, they already drew one for upper trend line. Here's a bottom trend line, falling wedge. As you can see right here, it had the bottom trend line with the falling wedge, consolidation, and a breakout. Wow, that's actually 13 points. Let's look over another one here that I've actually been looking at for the last couple days. This is the airline stock, DAL, Delta Airlines. As you can hear, here's another channel trade here. It already tested the upper trend line, lower, and here once again. It looks a little toppy. This would have been great to be able to short. So, for you guys, keep your eye on that. But again, this is really good to always keep practicing, always look at charts, get familiar with actually making, lines, trend lines. Let's look up a couple few more here. This is Ann Taylor Stores. As you guys can see here, here's a nice channel train developing. Um, so it has a lot of support here, so really good entry around this area. Let me take you guys back to the heat seeker. So pretty much here, this is a whole, like another bird's eye view of the whole entire market. You can go ahead and left click on that, and it shows you a little bit up close. And on the right hand side right here, you can click on their world, and it shows you all the world stocks, bird's eye view also. Really helpful tool, if you kind of in and out of stuff. CHL, CHA. Also ETFs. Me personally, I really don't go through ETFs, but I'll go ahead and show you guys just so you guys know. And again, it has to zoom in, you can just move your mouse in and out, scroll in. Different sectors have different ETFs. I'm not really a big fan of that, but for some of you guys that are, that's another helpful tool there. For the news area, this is a great, for blogs, for some of you guys that can't go to sleep. You guys could look this up, read over this, and real-time news. It's okay. I mean, something's better than nothing. It's free. What else do I have right here? This is the actual insider for the insider buyers. So this could help for some of you guys. That need a little. All right, and this is like the news area. I mean, this is great also for blogs. Some helpful stuff, a lot of stuff. For people that can't go to sleep, and some news areas here. Helpful. Free of course. Let me see what other things I could go here that could help you guys out. Oh, okay. For some of that different brokers, here's a little information. Might be helpful for some of you guys that don't know which broker to pick. For some of you new guys out there, Also go into different research companies, magazines, hardware, software. I mean, all this stuff is great, just to get a little bit more experience, see different things. Let's see what else I can show you guys. Let me go back here. All right, here they have the screener area. This is great to actually look for new ideas. For some of you guys that like fundamentals, there's a great area. You can mess around and play with this. Technical, to look for new positions. See, you just pretty much, for example, here you just enter oversold, uh, and you kind of like mess around here with a couple stocks. There's a lot of couple penny stocks. So it takes you a while. I mean, you got to do your homework to be able to find some of those good ones. But pretty much in a nutshell, I didn't really go over too much in detail, but just to kind of see, this is pretty much what Finviz is all about. And that is pretty much it, guys. All right, Wizard out. Wall Street Fat Cats.